We are back out on the road today. We're doing a little bit old school with the yellow flannel because it's actually got a little bit of wind protection built in, and it's a bit chillier today. We had kind of our kind of a teaser spring, I guess, there the past couple of weeks where we've been getting those 70s and upper 60s on a regular basis, and today we are at 45 degrees, so a little bit chilly here in the afternoon, but something that we are lacking is there is no salt on the roads, there is no ice on the roads, and no snow on the roads. So I don't care, little colder temperatures, I'll still get to go out here and ride. Anyway, spring is here. Doesn't feel like it today, but hey, it is. It's the 23rd of March. And wintertime, you know, we always do, you know, a lot of people will take that downtime to do some upgrades on their motorcycle. My brother-in-law, he's in upstate New York. He's putting bars on his bike. He did some shocks. I don't remember what else. He's doing a few other things to the bike. Get it ready for riding season. Of course, they I think they suffer a little bit longer than we do down here. But I did indeed do one mod to my bike, and that was I put some rear suspension, rear shocks on the bike, because for the past 10,000 miles I've been riding with the stock Harley suspension that everyone says is absolutely horrible. I don't really think it was terrible, but I mean, I guess I really haven't felt good suspension before. Now this feels pretty good. I'm liking it. It definitely has a bit more of a kind of a ride like the Lincoln. I think I have it set just a touch too stiff right now because I set it up as per the instructions to go along with my weight plus, you know, luggage, baggage, whatever you want to call it, you know, the weight of any thing that I'm carrying. So I think I have it, I might have it set just a tad tight. And I guess I'm gonna wait for this light since I'm here. I kind of lost my train of thought there. I don't know what I was talking about. I was talking about the suspension. Man, that light was long. That was a lot of traffic. I don't know what was going on with that. But anyway, let's see if I can figure out where I was without going back and reviewing my footage. Talked about having ridden on the stock suspension for 10,000 miles, and I did accomplish my 10,000 mile service. You know, I talked about that in the last video. But yeah, this is riding pretty good. Now I'm taking it down some of the normal roads that, you know, the roads that I'm used to taking, that I usually take, and I know there are some fairly hefty bumps. So I'm just gonna see how it goes. But overall, I think it's definitely it's an improvement upon what I had. I'm really going to be interested to see how this does on a long day, just like out on the interstate You know, am I going to notice any difference with that versus what the factory had to offer? Because we did that road trip last year. Yeah, was it last year? Yeah, it was last year. And I say around probably 130 miles to in that area. Anywhere from 100 to 130 miles or so. I really just wanted to get off because my butt was hurting. Just wanted to get off the bike. I don't know. I mean, I got this fancy, you know, Mustang touring seat, and it feels pretty nice. But well, the touring seat plus a combination of new suspension make it even better. We shall see. So, yeah, this road in particular, not necessarily right here, but we get up past these cranberry bogs. Oh, now I remember what I was saying when I stopped at the light. I was talking about the preload and how I have it set up at the moment. See, now that was promising right there. That bump. I mean, I'd hit that one before and just gone, ugh. Did not feel too bad. Anyway, yeah, so I have it set as per the instructions, like I was saying. And for solo riding, I might just need to, you know, drop it back or just live with it being a little stiffer. Yeah, great blue heron. Somewhere in here, there's a pretty big bump. There it was. Holy moly. Okay, yeah, all right. Right now, yeah. You couldn't see it because I had the visor down and everything like that. But I kind of winced going over that because I've been over that before, and I slowed down to where, you know, like I would normally do. And that handled that pretty good. Alright, so yeah, great. Fox shocks. If you want some, go get some. If not, I don't care. I'm not sponsored. They're, you know, I bought them myself. Installed them myself. And we were also kind of testing out here. I did changed up the oil to AMSOIL. I'm not. There's no way I'll be able to notice any kind of, you know, difference just by changing the oil that I'm using in the engine, the trans, and the primary. But I did change that up, so you know, it cost me less to get the that kit from AMSOIL. Plus, I do my own oil changes on my truck too, so they have the I don't know, kind of like their little club membership or whatever, where you get a little bit of discount and everything like that off of what the regular price is. So I did that for 6 months, see how that goes, and I've ordered my oil change kit for the bike, and I got one for my truck as well. And I don't know if I'm going to need another one for the bike before this summer. We'll see. I'll definitely need one in July. But that's another video, and we'll get into that. All right, you know what? So, Fox suspension gets a thumbs up. It's pretty good. I like it. But like I said, yes, I am going to be interested to see how does it do, you know, when I'm out there on the highway, taking a long road trip. That too is another video. All right, we'll see you on the next one, guys.